welcome to MIT USA. Today we are demonstrating for you a handheld planisher. It's 6 inches of travel, so it's pretty much to do the small ends of a vessel, but nevertheless it's portable, which is the beauty about it. Here you get to see the cart on which we actually make so that you can be able to have all the electronics, make it mobile. You can roll it to where you're working. You have 10 feet of travel cord, so you can be able to position it. Here in the back is the actual unit. You can see here the actual planishing head, and it's a scissor shape. And in this scissor shape, you can see that we have the feed roller and also the slave roller down below. We have the hydraulic cylinder that actually performs the actual tonnage. We have 2,500 pounds of load on the roller so that we can do the planishing. We have here the handle here. It serves as a handle for the operator and also a way to store it here so that he can be able to wrap all the cables up and be able to move it to wherever he's working. Here you get to see the actual operations. Here you have direction, whether you want to be able to have the roller travel in or out, and you also have a speed. You want it faster or slower? And I'll be demonstrating that for you shortly. So this is pretty much the unit. Here you get to see the actual hydraulic unit. It's an interpack system where you're able to activate it here to be able to get it to engage. So now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and unload it off the cart, put it up here so that I can do a planishing operation for you. Okay, so now we've taken the unit off of the cart. We put it here on the table. The unit actually weighs 60 pounds. So it's a little bit on the heavy side, you might say, but in order to get that tonnage, we have to have all this weight here and all the strength that it has. Here, what I'll do is I'll turn it on. By turning it on, I actually turn on the servo system inside to be able to operate. The servo motor right here goes through this gearbox. And now, if I turn the speed up, you can see there's the roller going right now. There it's going in the reverse direction. Here it goes. No, that was the reverse direction. Now it's the forward direction. So, and over here, I can actually adjust the speed. If you look at the roller, you can actually see that it's going fast, and then I slow it down with the speed potentiometer here so that we can have it at a safe travel for the operator. Or if the operator feels that he has good control, he can turn it up a little bit. So that's what we have there. And now what I'll do is I'll actually put a piece here. We have one piece. I'll clamp on it. And now there you can see it feeding forward and doing the actual planishing. I only have 6 inches of travel. And now I can go ahead and release it. And there's the planishing surface right there. 2,500 pounds of force, so pretty much there gives you a demonstration of what this little unit does. And should you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.